It's bigger.
Is it true? Is it good how I understand?
40 years, 1/4.
Four siblings.
Sunteți 4 frați?
14.
Da, foarte, foarte. Ești 12. De unde ești? De Hațeg? Ești din Călan? Da, ok.
Hey, welcome again, everybody. Thank you once again for staying and watching as we start our part 3 episode. So guys, this is gonna be the last. It's the part 3 and the climax of our movie.
You want to be also in the video? Go there. Sit there down. Put the... No, you should stay there down. Lasă-mă că e spațiu, că mai au, îți 12, mai au una de acolo, de la ei. Like that, huh? There's video this one.
Nu te grăbi, nu facem mișcări brusce, da?
Bă, nu mi-e frică de mine, mi-e frică de ei, huh?
Here we go, guys. We are getting closer in the narrow way. As you can see, it's a little bit narrow. You see, it's very close to each side, both sides. We are very close. So everyone, enjoy the closer view. We are getting closer at the end. Yes, you see, in part 1 and part 2, this view is not as close as I showed in the part 3, right? Now, just a little bit and we will turn. Okay, we're getting at the end. And from here, you can see, from here we are turning back. This is the dead end already of this dump. Of course, in the road that we choose. So this is the dead end. There is no more. Only the view. So turn. Voila, it's done. So guys, we are heading back already, and it's getting more colder. It's really cold, the wind. And you can see guys what we did just to cover up ourselves. So here we go guys. We need to put some diesel in the motor tank as it's almost finito. So Marsha put some diesel. I know it's not diesel, it's benzene, I think. I'm not sure. And it's getting darker. Actually, it's at this time, I think it's already 7 something in the evening. I just add some light because it's a little bit dark already.
Hi, madam. You can look. You can be seen. photo there, madam. There, we took photo.
Actually, guys, we already had took some photo in that side over there where you can see people having a camping with their motorhome or with their tent. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of people over there. Wait a moment. In that side, yeah. Going back home, it's in the left side. Yes, yeah, you can see lots of cars, motorhome. There is some motorhome as well, and then with a tent. Some they are sleeping here, guys. Actually, a lot of people, not only in this part, likes to have a camping here during summertime. Not only in this part, this is only few, but in the other part going up in this area, we pass by a lot of people. I think they are from different country as well.
Remember we've been here, sir? See the water is a little big, huh? Cool.
Hello! Hello!
So guys, if you want to enjoy really your visit here, the best time is during summer, because you can do many activities. Unlike in the winter season, you can only see the view all in white. But of course, the fine tree, this kind of tree, they will stay green during winter season. So we are almost there, guys. We are almost there.
Yes, better.
Yes. We just arrived, guys. It's already dark, and of course the bonfire to keep us warm. Enjoy. It's nice, huh?
No want to stay here, no?
It's okay.
Okay.
For me. And for you.
Yeah?
So here we are, guys. We are having our dinner here outside. So we are preparing a light dinner as usual. Salad will always be present in all the meals. Yeah, of course. Yes, with the music.
You can see so much exactly. My nose is here or is there?
Today, guys, is already Saturday. In the morning, we woke up early because we want to go back to the city so that we can able to go to church. So as me and hubby alone is awake, we decided to walk around for a few minutes while waiting for them to be awake. Actually, we make a lot of noise. So we walk outside the house, guys, and this one is closest to the place, this bridge here. And as you can see, this road, you can still go up more up over there. Some people still go up there to do some camping and hiking. Really, guys, a lot of activities you can really do here during summertime. But in the winter, aside from walking slowly, skiing, just like that, nothing special, especially in the heavy snow, because in this part really heavy the snow